Welcome everyone to week 8. This is Miss Garcia covering for Miss Pottenger's class. We just want to introduce today's word of the week is purpose. It is the reason that we do something. Izzy's purpose for being active after school was to have fun with her friends. Our physical education objectives this week will be to discuss any health benefits of physical activity, identify health-related fitness components related to the various activities. We're going to participate in the activities with purpose, use positive language when we're talking to ourselves, and complete our wellness challenge, which is 60 minutes of activity a day. The values of physical activity and personal health and what we're working on. Our students are going to recognize the value of physical activity, physical, emotional, and mental health. One of the things that you guys missed, if you missed the classes, we talked about how physical activity is one of the really good stress reducers. And so if we imagine, here is my bucket of stress, and the entire thing fills up, and every single day there's always things that are adding into our own stress levels. Somebody talks mean to us, maybe we didn't eat enough, maybe we didn't get enough sleep. There's all kinds of stuff that adds to stress. And the cool thing with physical activity is it's like taking a drill, putting a hole in this bucket or in this bottle, and now it's letting out some of that stress. So the more active we are, the more stress we can get rid of. Also, other things like giving ourselves a timeout, turning the lights off, closing our eyes, putting on some nice music, practicing our deep breaths. Those are also stress relievers, and we talked about that last week where you put your hand up and you count and you breathe and you breathe out. Breathe out. Try it with me on this one. Go ahead. One more time. And so we talk about physical activity and how it makes us feel, gets our body excited, gets us moving. We feel pretty good after we're done. And it helps relieve that bottle of stress that we all have. Okay. The other thing is not only are we doing our physical activity, but we're trying to fuel our body with the right stuff. So we're putting in good foods. We're trying to stay away from sugars. We're having plenty of fruits and vegetables. And then we compare the health benefits of available physical activities. So I'm putting together a video this week that will show you how to do a push-up. Now most of us can do a push-up, but these are going to be a variety of push-ups, so no matter what your level is, they will accommodate what your needs are. The reason I'm so passionate about this is because my dad is a double amputee. He has no legs, and so he likes to work out too, and so sometimes we have to adapt and make things so that he can also join. And on a personal level, I had a car accident and I couldn't walk for 3 months, and so it took me the 3 months to recover and almost 5 years of physical therapy and a lot of work to finally get back up to where I can jog and I can run. And so I understand that there's physical challenges that we all have, and so making everything adaptable and making it so that no matter where you are physically, you can still meet your gains and make it so that you can find success. The other thing is we are personally motivated, and we're going to discuss the motivation that can impact our personal and academic goals. Every little thing that we do, we push what we can do, and we find what empowers us. When you find out that eventually you can do your first push-up, or you can start running again, or maybe you get a little bit faster, all those things are going to help us out. So I want you guys to gain the confidence, and I want you to be positive about it, because unless we're positive and we're excited about working out, it's really not very much fun. So if we're suffering the whole time and we're really struggling, it's going to be very difficult. So the 3 games that we have this week are Fire, Rock, Paper, Scissors, and Music Mania. So for Fire, it's pretty self-explanatory. There are 3 modes. You have Fire, medium, and slow. And my favorite way to use this game is if I'm playing tag. So if I want to play tag, let's say with my father, it's a little bit challenging for him to run because he's on prosthetic legs. Those are fake legs. And so if he is the leader and he is trying to chase me down, he could say fire, and that means that I can go as fast as I want. Now, if he wants to adjust the rate so he can try to catch me, he could say medium, so I have to slow down. And then he could also say slow, and then I have to go slow, and then it gives him a chance to find success. So it's not just about us finding success, but giving the other people that we play with also a chance to find success. So fire tag is a lot of fun. You can also attach that to any other game where you just want to adjust it so that everyone can play. The next one is rock, paper, scissors. For rock, we're going to make ourselves into a ball on the floor. For paper, we're going to lay on our belly on the floor. And then for scissors, we're going to stand up and we're going to put our arms out, and that will be our scissors. So we would all do rock, paper, scissors, and then you make your choice. And so that's a good adjustment for a more active version of rock, paper, scissors. And then the last one is Music Mania, where you put on some music and you jog or you walk. The other adjustment to that I like to do is if you're playing with other people, that somebody else chooses what it is that you want to do. And so hopefully that helps. We'll give you the rest of the stuff later this week. Really enjoy your day and have fun and drink some water. Have a great day.